Hi, everybody. For your math slot today, the 1 o'clock time, you guys are taking the topic 2 online assessment. Like you guys did the topic 1 assessment, you'll go in through your Google Classroom, but I'm going to show you how to do that again really quick. That is today at 1, so you need to make sure that is finished for today. You will go to Google and sign in. You guys are probably already signed in. I'm going to use Levi as my account just to show you guys what it looks like again. So when you get there, you will go to your waffle up here in the top corner. Click on that, scroll all the way down to the thing that says Pearson Easy Bridge. Looks like a quilt. Click on that. Then you guys can click on the Savvis Realize thing. You should go right to your account, and then topic 2 online assessment is right here. So please get that finished for me today so I can get that grade in. Again, these will go on our grade cards. Parents, caregivers, please, please, please make sure it's your students' work. They are doing the test themselves. Because I know you guys know all your amazing kindergarten math details, but I need to know what they know so I know what to work on them for. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.